Scientists from the USA state the rotation speed of the Earth's core is extremely unstable, and this is only part of a global problem that is deadly for the inhabitants of the planet. What is happening to the core of our planet? Why are scientists so concerned? Let us study this issue deeply. In June 2022, after having done several tests, scientists at the University of Southern California found that the rotational speeds of the Earth and its inner core not only differ, but the inner core's speed is increasing and decreasing. Now, the core has begun accelerating rapidly. The news has alarmed the scientific community. Why? For the average person, the Earth's core is something as distant as the moon. However, life on Earth depends directly on the core. It produces 90% of the electromagnetic field. It's the electromagnetic field that protects the Earth from the solar wind and cosmic rays. If it gets weaker, the entire atmosphere will be destroyed and humanity will be extinct. That's why life on Mars disappeared. With a certain cyclicity, all the characteristics of the planet's core change, namely density, temperature, and rotation speed. It is likely that they all affect the intensity of the magnetic field, and hence, life on the planet in general. In the late 90s, Phil Livermore, an associate professor at the University of Leeds, recorded, using swarm satellite images, rapidly moving rivers of molten metal in the outer core of the Earth. Researchers say this jet stream is moving from Canada to Siberia and currently covers about half the planet. The vast jet stream has accelerated threefold since 2000. Its width has increased to 420 kilometers. It advances 45 kilometers a year, faster than the typical speed of the Earth's core, and thousands of times faster than the speed of movement of tectonic plates. Scientists also cannot answer the question of why the flow is accelerating. Along with that, the speed of the magnetic North Pole drift has quadrupled over the past 20 years to 55 kilometers per year. At the same time, our planetary magnetic field is weakening vastly. Scientists have found that the Earth's magnetic field has weakened by 9% over the last 200 years. Another interesting fact is that from 1969 to 1971, the core rotated slower than the Earth's surface, and in the following years, it rotated faster. In the 90s, as already mentioned, the speed of the core slowed down again, but a major event has not been disclosed. In 1998, scientists, using satellites to monitor the Earth's center of mass, recorded a sudden shift in the core. The jump caused the core to shift sharply northward toward the Tamir Peninsula. It is the jump in the center of mass of the Earth that is the key factor in the imbalance of the system. This event led to the dissonance in all Earth's spheres, which caused a sharp increase in many natural disasters. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, hurricanes, tornadoes, and so on. We can state that serious restructuring has now begun within the core. This may soon destroy our civilization. It is remarkable that some irreversible changes have occurred almost synchronously on Mars, on the Sun, the Moon, and on Jupiter. Scientists believe that even without fully elucidating the mechanics of the Earth's core rotation, it is possible to draw conclusions about the underlying connection between the processes taking place. According to many researchers, such dramatic global changes in the core of the planet are caused by the influence of huge energy from deep space. Our planet gets into the area of influence of this very radiation every 12,000 years, and right now we are on the verge of disaster. About 12,800 years ago, one of the greatest catastrophes occurred, the Younger Dryas event, which destroyed many ancient species of animals and plants, destroyed most of humanity, and greatly changed the landscape. The Clovis culture, prevalent in North America at that time, was razed to the ground, and in Europe, this event was recorded as the Uccello Horizon. Civilization has been preserved, but only a few tens of thousands of people have remained from previously dense populations. How can humanity survive cataclysms of such magnitude? Everyone has to join in to solve this problem, and we have to act with full dedication. There is no time to shift responsibility to somebody else. The heart of our planet is already beating faster. This is causing catastrophic changes. Only by recognizing the true causes of climate change can we realize the full scale of what is happening and unite our entire scientific potential for the survival of all humanity.